So recently you may have noticed a message when you log into your Instagram app. It's basically saying that they're currently running a test that hides the total number of likes and videos for some people in the list of countries that's shown. So basically what's happening is if you go through your feed, you will see that the posts are no longer including the number of likes. Instead, it's just showing that it's been liked by a certain person, maybe the latest one, and others. Now, I'm not going to approach this based on the impact it has on influencers, as there's probably dozens already covering it in terms of articles and videos. The creator of the post can still see the number of likes, however, albeit by the added step of having to tap on the like by part of the post. This increases the cognitive load, and almost no one is willing to accept easily, unless if the resultant outcome more than outweighs the extra effort required. This ramps up with each post you have to go through and quickly becomes a huge detractor. You always want a quick and easy glance at key stats without having to fumble through a step or two. Now, why was this done? Basically, the move was precipitated by how comparison of one's likes to someone else's was having adverse effects, such as causing distress or lowering self-esteem, as posts with more likes was seen as better and garnered more views overall. This is compounded by the fact that once you pick a certain post on the homepage and scroll, the ones that follow are algorithmically primed to be the ones you likely want to see, causing the person to go on a binge succession of viewing and liking. So the move was to protect people and their mental well-being, but it does beg the question, what about the creator themselves? They obviously might self-indulge in gaining more and more views just for the sake of getting views, as opposed to others who stand to gain by position of importance or financially. If anything, the sudden loss of a tangible validation system might throw these people into a spiral. Apart from the supposedly altruistic overtones, what does this all mean? How is it going to play out? After all, it is a test. Usually when changes are introduced or said to be introduced, there's always some dissonance on a wide gamut from subconscious to overt. This is true when features are added. Remember when Facebook updated its like button to show a thumbs up from its logo? Or when the like button was enhanced with reactions. These subtle changes and updates would have an almost imperceptible impact on how users feel, but it's mostly smoothed over as it doesn't bring a sea change to how they use and interact with the site. However, when a prominent feature is removed, it can be quite jarring and confusing. Personally, the most unsettling aspect of this upgrade is when you're on the home screen and you see all these posts which seem to have something askew. The three blank icons just sitting there and nothing below it, unless if there's comments. And at times, even the comments don't appear, leading you to wonder if the post had any interaction at all. So what's left is this eerie ghost town of an app with posts which have no likes or comments. There's a definite sense of something missing and not quite right. I'm guessing it's some sort of teething problem, maybe endemic to my phone or app version, because surely all these posts can't be completely devoid of likes or comments, unless there's a mass exodus from the platform. How it will play out from here is anybody's guess, as Instagram has said that they're testing it out. Although the viewers might not be losing something in the classical sense, the pronounced lack of something can be attributed to a loss. Given that humans are influenced by a risk-loss aversion, this could have consequences for the platform as a whole in terms of patronage or continued viewership and creators being left in limbo with no tangible reference points. So unless if the reward mechanism that the likes has garnered is replaced with something as equally appealing, we might possibly see Instagram backtracking on this one. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments and like and subscribe to the channel. Conversely, if you didn't, let me know in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.